Now we knew a little bit about our tools. Let's download them and set up your device environment to run our first app. We will use Android Studio as our editor in this class. I personally prefer to use it for its flexibility. Now open your browser. Type Android Studio. It will appear on the top of your result. Then click the Download button. Scroll down to click the checkbox, then Continue. Select your processor brand. I'm using Apple M1 chip. Now wait until it's fully downloaded. I'm using Chrome browser, but it's okay to use any browser you have. Now it's downloaded, click on the file. Drag the Android Studio icon to the application folder. Give it some time to extract the files. You can find it on Launchpad. Now let's open the editor. The first time it will take a while to set everything. Click Open. If this window shows up, your editor is now ready. Otherwise, send your problem and I will be glad to help. Xcode is a code editor provided by Apple. If you are running on Windows, you can skip this part. You may think that why downloading another editor? Well, for two reasons. First, we will use it to upload our iOS version to Apple App Store. If you are on Windows, it might be challenging to do this as a beginner. Second, we will use the implemented simulator in Xcode to run and test our codes. It is very simple. Open App Store. Then type Xcode. I already downloaded it. You will click Get to start downloading. It might take a lot of time according to your internet speed. Next, we will download our Flutter SDK. Go to your browser and type Flutter SDK. Click the official link. Now click Get Start. Choose your operating system. Make sure your device has the minimum requirement mentioned here. Choose your processor. I have Apple Silicon chip, so I will continue with this choice. Wait until the download is completed. Flutter has a very large community and excellent documentation. These are other ways to download Flutter and step-by-step how to install Flutter and run your first app using Flutter. Open the downloaded file. Wait until it extracted. Move the extracted folder to the developer folder. Well done! You are set to go. Since all Apple Macs were running on Intel processors, core generations, the new Apple Silicon Mac has the M1 chips and they are different from the old ones. Therefore, you need an extra step in order for your device to work properly. Open Search and type Terminal. Then open your browser and from where you downloaded Flutter SDK, you will find the command line. Copy and paste this command to your terminal. Then hit Enter. Now everything should work without any problems. If you faced any obstacles, feel free to ask. We have all the tools we need. Next, we will test that by running our first app. Let's go then and give it a try.